Welcome to Putnik School. My name is Rusty and I'm going to be your teacher. So today we're going to have a free class about how to read Russian language. It's actually much more easy than people think. What I personally like about my mother tongue is that the Russian language is very flexible and very melodical and absolutely phonetically friendly language. Let's talk about the Russian language in general. So first of all, the Russian language is in top 10 of the most spoken languages in the world with more than 260 million people who speak this language. Russian use Cyrillic alphabet, which was made by Saint Cyril and Methodius 1,000 years ago, but it's a bit another one story about the history. Cyrillic alphabet used not just by Russian language, but also in Ukrainian, in Belarus, before in Kazakhstan, for example, in Bulgaria. They also use Cyrillic alphabet. Of course, in any language, it's modified. Let's start to talk about the thing, right? Today, the modern Russian language has 33 letters and also 3 types of letters. It is a special signs, such as a soft sign and hard sign. We're going to talk about it later. It is a vowels and consonants. Let's start with vowels. Russian vowels very close to Latin alphabet actually, and most of them can be very familiar to you. But also some of them can get a bit confused because they can be very close to but have this different details, if I can say like this. There is a 10 vowels in Russian language. It is a, o, u. This letter can get confused because it's very close to English y, especially when you do the handwriting. Next letter is u, the most hard to pronounce for English speakers. E, ya, yo, you, e. You can see that it's very close to letter M in English, but we do the different side, like the mirroring the letter. And the last one is letter Y, which is very close to the sound to the letter E in English, but has a bit different sound. To be honest, to start read Russian, you just need to memorize letters and try to connect them. For now, try to listen again and after me, pause the video and try to repeat it out loud. Also, pay attention to my mouth, how I'm speaking, how I make the sound of these letters. Let's start it again. 10 vowels. A, o, u, ü, ü, e, ya, you, e, yeah. Now let's talk about the consonants. There is also some of the letters, some of the consonant letter can be very look alike as in English alphabet. So for example, but the sounds absolutely opposite. For example, letter B looks like this. But next one, letter V, V, but looks like English letter B. Next one, letter G, D, J, Z, K, L, M, N. Also see N. This is not H, not H. This is N. P, R. Also, two letters can make you confused. Letter P very look alike letter L. You can see that they're just little tail, little leg in the bottom, and also letter R, which is looks like English P, also can get confused sometimes. So it's only point of memorizing the alphabet. Next one is letter S, letter T, F, H, T. Look like T and C in English. T, Ch, Sh, Sh, and the last letter is I краткая, which is had the sound Y. But when we call about the alphabet, we say I краткая. The sound is Y, like the in English letter Y make a sound Y. Let's do it again. Repeat letters after me. Don't forget to pause the video and repeat it out loud. Pay attention to my mouth. B, V, G, D, Ž, Z, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, F, H, C, Ch, Sh, Sh. See, very close to Sh, Sh. Y, и краткая Y. In the beginning of this video, I said that Russian alphabet is phonetically very friendly, and this is true. We also read words by syllables, which is made from the vowels and consonants. Vowel, consonants connect together and make this syllable. The very easy example, ma, 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 make a syllable ma. Ma and ma make the word mama. Pa, 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 papa, father, right? It's very easy. Let's try to practice a bit. So, let's try to practice a bit. For example, L, I, Li, T, U. Together, two, right? But what if we're gonna start to read with you right now? For example, V, O will make a syllable vo, right? We have the syllable vo. D, A will make the syllable da. So we have two syllables, right? Vo and da. And together it will be voda, vada, water. Or, for example, we can try three letters in one syllable. K, N, I. K, N, I, kni. K, N, I, kni. So we have syllable kni. And the next one is the syllable g, a, ga. Correct. So let's try to make them together. Kni, ga. Kni, ga. Kniga, the book. See? So Russian is not that scary as people think. So what I do love again about the Russian, it's easy to read and easy to understand. Such phonetically friendly languages as Russian is absolutely opposite languages like Chinese or, for example, Thai language, where you have to speak first and then you can start to read. So it's a bit make your progress slow. And in the Russian language, it's opposite. You can start from the reading and then it will make you much more easy to get more vocabulary. So you will speak faster than, for example, when you learn languages like which use some very different alphabet systems. Below this video, you will find few exercises so you can start to read, you can try to read already today new words and put them in your vocabulary. Also, on our website, you can find the full version of the course, How to Read Russian, with a lot of details. Of course, it's not about just one syllable, two syllable. You have a word and you speak. We have some details, we have some rules, we have stresses, cases. The grammar is very complex, and it sometimes somehow affects on the reading as well. So on our website, you can find the full version of the course, How to Read Russian. You can get the self-study, or for example, you can get the study with support. There is all rules, a lot of details, little notes, exercises. So already after this, actually very quick course, because it's enough like few days to start read Russian, you will get a lot of vocabulary as well. So thank you for the views. Don't forget to follow us, check out our website, and easy learning, my friends. Пока-пока.